Hi, my name is Kayla and this is Bailey. Today we have more action shot ideas for you guys, and we're gonna focus more on the floor today. We're gonna be choosing things that are a little bit more tricky, so have fun with them. The first one is on one hand. She's gonna be going into like a handstand, kind of having a variety with her legs. So that one, she had her right leg bent and her left leg straight. You could reverse that, you could turn it into a tilt more. Either way, but something on one hand always looks super cool and can be caught really fast. The second one is down on the ground. She's gonna start in a squatting position. From here, she's gonna jump her legs out, shooting them to the side as she really gets over that leg and arches her back. Let's do it one more time. Perfect, good. And the last one, go ahead and stand up and show them for us, Bae. Yeah. So we get onto our elbow and our hand. We're gonna hit a firebird position. Good. So again, this can be caught too. Bailey can hold it. Super, super great. But that's an awesome picture. Looks super, super different. Different than a jump, different than a leg. So good luck.